Would you believe me if I tell you this wig was $20? Well, would you? For more information about this wig, stay tuned as we go through all the details of this wig. Dum 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 dum. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Auntie Titi and I do mainly wig reviews on this channel. If this is something that may interest you, I say stay tuned as we go ahead and review this wig that I have that may or may not cost $20. Yes, 20 bucks.
Carry me go where my blessings day. Carry me go where my progress day. Oya mi jo masun, angel mi masun wa. Carry me go where my blessings day. Carry me go where my success day. Orí mi bá mi ṣe, ẹlẹ́dàá mi bá mi ṣe wa. Jẹ́ kí kórè délé, jẹ́ kí kórè délé o. Orí mi bá mi ṣe, ẹlẹ́dàá mi bá mi ṣe wa. Jẹ́ kí kórè délé, jẹ́ kí kórè délé o. I want that good life, I want that sweet life, I want that fancy life, I don't want live a fast life. Olúwa bá mi ṣe o, kó jẹ́ kí n kórè dé o. Say na your hand it dey o, they make you bless my way, as I know we like so. Whoa, whoa, yeah, make I know carry last o.
Now that you have watched me install a wig, let's go over some specs about the wig. This wig is by Outre and it's part of their daily wig collection. It's a premium synthetic fiber lace part wig. I have it in the style Jazlin, Jazlin, Jazlin. I have it in the color ginger brown, and Jazlin is 400 degrees heat safe. Jazlin has an elastic band, pre-attached elastic band on the lace, so it goes from hair to the back as you saw in the video. It's hand-tied lace part, so just from hair to hair it's a lace part. Doesn't come with lace to cut off or anything. It has pre-plucked and hand-tied lace. Eye part is breathable mesh cap, heat safe, heat styling friendly. Breathable mesh cap, I think not. This wig right here, her is hot. There ain't no breathable mesh nothing up in here. I'll show y'all may want to revisit it, because this joint right here, Jazlin, she hot. She hot. She don't have a breathable nothing. At least mine didn't have it because I'm hot. Okay. Has 3 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps in the back. So it comes with three combs, 2 elastics. Some special colors. Can you see Jazlin? My baby girl Jazlin. Okay, let me stop. Can you see the colors? Yeah, there you go. That's Jazlin. Okay. They say Jazlin can be worn on either side, or the part for Jazlin can be worn on either side. It can be a center part, a left part, a right part. I was trying my hardest to wear Jazlin in the center part, and honey child, not working. That center part was not working for me. I could not get it how I wanted to. First of all, let's start over. I wanted to crimp Jazlin up, and she was not having. She was like, girl, not today. Maybe another day, but not today. So had to scratch that idea. I was gonna do beach curls. Jazlin wasn't having it either, so scratch that idea. Then I decided let's do some big barrel curls. She still wasn't having it. So I was like, you know what? Let's go do the regular old Auntie TT curls and pin curls and call it a day. And so sad, so done. Jazlin didn't want nothing else done to her, and I respect that. But let's see what the card says on the inside. Why you're really here for the review. Does she cost $20, and is she worth the $20? Okay, let's talk about her. In the stock card it says, wear me on the daily, ready to go, ready set go. The daily wig makes being beautiful quick and easy with a natural hand-tied lace part in a variety of styles. This collection is ready to wear anywhere and beautiful right out of the box. The daily wig is your everyday wig for life. Everyday? Y'all tried it. Not every day. Let me tell you why. She hot. 2, flyaways. 3, she sheds. Who wanna do that every day, Outre? Who? Show me somebody that wanna do that every day. I'll wait, cause I don't know who. But $20, she is. Is she worth it for $20? I suppose. I mean, you don't have to cut off lace. You don't have to glue nothing down. But I did go ahead and cut a little V right here to get it to lay a little bit more, if you want to say. Can you see it? Like right here. Did a V in there. But she cute. The color is cute. What would I rate her? 6.5. Them flyaways were too much. Shedding, too much. Hot. It took me 4 hours to get this joint together. I almost gave up. But you know what? I'm a veteran. We don't give up. So you know what I told Jazlin? We gonna get it together. And so we did. So yes. 6.5 for Jazlin. She sheds, flyaways, and tangles. And the curls that she came with, I don't know what kind of curls they are, but Auntie Titi didn't like them. You already know. She got to put her own spin to it, which took her 4 hours. 4 hours. That's 4 hours of my life I can't get back. But she cute though. Okay. So, if you got to the end of the video, I'd like to say a big old fat welcome. Oh, before I go, is she bigot friendly? Yes and no. When I put my wig cap and my wig grip on, it's on top of it already being hot, it's tight. So I took this sucker off and went just with the wig cap, and she's medium. She not big head friendly. She a medium. She not all the way big head friendly to me, unless if I got a big head and I don't know, which I thought I did in the beginning. Then somebody told me, girl, no, you ain't got no big head. That's a regular size head. So with that being said, I say she's medium. So if you have your head is a little bit bigger than mine, it will work. But anything significantly bigger than mine, I think it will be extremely too tight, unless if you don't wear the elastic band in the front. Another thing, before I forgot, I almost ended the video without telling you guys that she looks so synthetic. I know she's synthetic, but she looks so synthetic. If you don't like that, honey, get you some dry shampoo and spray that joint, because do you see all the shininess, syntheticness all up in there? I went to the bathroom and I was like, what, damn, everybody got to know wearing a wig? Everybody got to know that? But yeah, so now that I got that out of the way, I guess the only thing I like about her is the color, because I had to work too hard just to get it to look like that. Anybody got time for that, Outre? I know I don't, even if I just did. But besides the point, if you got to the end of the video, I like to take a big old fat welcome for watching Auntie Titi's videos. Leave a comment down below about what you enjoyed about the wigs, the price, the color, the combs, the flyaways. You better not tell me nothing in the comments about you like the flyaways. But like I said, a big old fat thank you for watching my video. You're the real MVP, and I will see you in the next wig. Bye.